Okay, my least favorite but necessary part of this job is done, and that's the caulking. I hate caulking, but it's so necessary anytime you're doing projects like this. I mean, it just can cover up a multitude of sin, and just fix things and hide things. And the good thing about this time of caulking, I didn't have to worry about getting it on the other walls like I did in the other room, because I'm gonna be painting all the walls in here. And I also went ahead and filled in any holes with some spackle. So that's done. So y'all, we're just ready to paint. And I am so excited. Okay, y'all, moment of truth. Let's see the paint colors that I decided to go with. Well, I'm gonna show you the lightest one first, and then when I get to the other wall, I will show you that. But this one is called Modern Safari by VALSPAR. So let me show you. So let me open it up, stir it up, let's see what it looks like. I love it. That is going to be so pretty. Here's the room without the accent wall being painted. Y'all, I already love it so much. I do. And it transforms this room already, y'all. I mean, look, it went from that old ugly color there to that beautiful color there. And I just love it. I was worried that it was gonna look too blue, but now that it's dried and I can see it on the full wall, I definitely love this color. It's definitely got the green hint that I wanted, but it's not too much. So now we get to work on this wall. And that's gonna be a pain right there, but that's okay. That's okay. I can do it. I already love how this is looking so much. So now to paint that wall. First coat, and y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of had a mild panic attack when I opened the paint, because I was like, this is not gonna go good together. But once I got it on there, I think it looks fine. So we'll see. I don't normally tape, but I did tape up there, so I could hopefully get somewhat of a straight line. Anyway, I think it's gonna look good. I'm gonna let this dry completely, and then I'll come back in. Probably gonna have to cut it in again because it's been such a dark color. And then one more coat. Okay, let's talk about some things that is in the room 95% of everything that's in this room is thrifted or it's been given to me. So let's start with the bed. Originally, I was wanting a headboard, but I'm okay with this one. I think I'm going to be okay with it. Everything, all the pillow coverings and this throw pillow is thrifted. The print above the bed is thrifted. And let's see, the little tray. The tray and everything on the tray, with the exception of the doily and the candy, thrifted. Then over here on this accent wall, I actually bought those shelves from the thrift store. I paid $1.99 each for them, and I painted them with the coordinating wall color just to kind of tie it all together. Everything up there is thrifted with the exception of the book, the birds, and the little topiary. The birds and topiary were purchased at the at-home store several years ago, and the book was given to me. But everything else on that wall is thrifted. And then when you pan around here, those prints were thrifted. Everything on the shelf was thrifted. Not the family photo and frame, but everything else was thrifted. Down there, I've not really completed it because I really don't have what I want. So we'll just focus. This is the shelves you see anyway. So there's that. This light color wall is called Modern Safari in the VALSPAR. And the deeper wall is called Ripe Olive, also a VALSPAR color. Over here, this is a hamper that I purchased at the thrift store, and I spray painted it in a Rust-Oleum color called Spruce. It's a beautiful green, and this will serve as two purposes in this room. The first one is, of course, it can be used as a laundry hamper if they want to put their dirty laundry in it, but also it can be moved from there to put by the bed for if they want to have a drink and sit it down, set their phone at night, whatever reason. They can put it over there, and it can be used as a makeshift nightstand. On the dresser, everything was thrifted with the exception of the fern inside the swan and the dolly that was given to me by a sweet friend. The easel was given to me, and the lampshade was given to me. This right here is actually a placemat. It was purchased I think from Hobby Lobby, but everything else is thrifted, and that's James's grandpa's dresser that I just kind of sanded down and polyed, and it looks so perfect in this room. And then the curtains were thrifted, and I think they are absolutely beautiful. I paid $8 for the pair, and they are 100% silk. They are lined. They are absolutely beautiful. This is actually a little vintage lamp that I thrifted. I think I paid 99 cents for it. And look at all the crazing on it. Isn't it just beautiful? And then the lampshade is a beautiful sagey green color. And this was thrifted, the beautiful swan. So this guest room is 95% thrifted. Now, this beautiful quilt, I wanted to use as the main bedding, but it is in such horrible shape. Like right here, and even more so in other places. But I am going to see if my mother-in-law can repair that for me. But I just kind of folded up and used it right now. I could flip it on the other side, but then you wouldn't see all this. So, yeah, I'm going to get her to fix that for me if she can. She's an amazing quilter. But this is the guest room, y'all. I absolutely love it. I have a couple of things I'm toying with maybe putting there, but at the same time, I really don't want to crowd it up. But this is how it's looking, and I love it. This is the room from this angle. Isn't it amazing what paint will do? Now, I'm still on the lookout for, I would love a big, nice area rug, but it's okay. I don't have that yet. Also, this particular comforter is the original comforter I had on it. I just flipped it over and I thought this was really pretty, and it played well with everything. It just kind of neutralizes that, where your focus is the quilt and the beautiful pillowcases. But yeah, this is the room. All right, y'all, what do you think? I love it. I think it is just so beautiful in here. It's welcoming, it's calming, it's soothing, it's not overpowering, and everything just kind of flows together. And I'm sure there will be tweaks made here and there as I'm out thrifting and find things. And if that happens, I will definitely share the updates, but I love it. Now, I would like to find a very small candle holder to put on the little bed tray, and put like a candle in it. But, you know, like I said, that will happen in time. I will find different things. But for now, it's so much better than it was. I absolutely love it. And I'm just so happy with how everything turned out. Even the little details in the molding and the beadboard. It's not too much, but it's enough to say we care, welcome, we hope you're comfortable, we hope you enjoy it. And that's what we wanted. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't build it up and disappoint you, but I love it and I just think it is absolutely beautiful. So thank you so much for sharing your time with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.